taxi.
Leo.
It's so quiet here today and warm, it's beautiful.
What's up?
Windy now. Honestly, I've never known it so still and as quiet here. 2nd of September and its forecast is really good for this week and it's just so still here. And it's warm as well. It's great. Colder weeks, if you go further back in the summer, it's been colder then. It is a beautiful start to the week, September 3rd. I think it's going to be an Indian summer like we had last year. But as you know, yesterday was the airport was beautiful. Today's it's clear sunshine. It's fantastic, so still. It's like a day in spring. That's what it is. It's like a day in spring. Yes, I'm just doing the old errands. Post office, get some milk. Thought I'd wash the car yesterday, but I can't come out in the car because it's so nice. I've got to walk. Bit of exercise. So the weekend is going to the heli centre on Saturday for a barbecue. They've got the launch of the new Cadbury G2 helicopter there. It's been there this week. They've had the press there, but it's a new training helicopter. There's only 2 registered in the UK. They're the second one. It's brand new. It's delivered with 18 hours on it. It's a brand new helicopter. So, me being the geek I am, we'll be all over that. You can see I've done some footage here. So this is it as it stands. So hopefully at the weekend we'll get to see it in action. They're giving away, well not giving away, they've got 12 slots available on the day. Trial flights, 199 quid. Must be a special offer they're doing or something. So 3 of them are taken so far, so should be flying all day, so I get some footage of it and have a nice bit of a barbie. So as I said before, this is my usual post office route on Gwendolyn Drive, at which time we'll know if you made an offer on that one or the other one and they were accepted, or whether nothing happened at all. I wonder what the outcome was. It'll all be history by then. See, it's a bit quieter here today though. Monday morning. It's a real spring feel, it's fantastic. There's no wind. Honestly, like yesterday, Leicester Airport, like I said, there was no wind. It was just like this. Even the windsock was just down. Never known it like that. Real settled period to the year. So quiet. So Jack's catching me up at some point. He's taking ages coming out, doing his Converse up. We're going to his school tonight, just me and him. It's like a meeting thing, about an hour, just to overview of the year ahead. Yeah, I think that's what it's about, just up and coming exams and sort of work they've got to do and work towards, all that sort of thing. So we'll go and have a look. He's still not caught me up, I don't know where he is. Ugh. I'm just going to have to go in on my own. That's the magazine we've got, and that's all about tonight. So we've got, that's the slideshow they're doing. All that. We're doing. Warm now.
Yeah, same.
Warm.
It's warm in here.
So we've got, this is the slideshow to PowerPoint. So we've got assessment data, monitoring students, assertive monitoring, controlled assessment, examinations, exams. Good habits, English year 11, in English, controlled assessment, God there's loads, support.
Yeah, it's going to be a long thing.
Yeah. Maths, GCS maths.
Yeah, long presentation.
There we go. It's getting dark. Dark by, oh, it's 8 o'clock, isn't it? After 8. So, a lot of work to do, yeah? Mm-hmm. A lot of exams. It's going to be a busy year, and next year. Yeah, despite all the rubbish in the media, the GCSEs, their year 10, which was Jack, that's now year 11, but year 10s, they had the highest pass rate so far.
No,
percentage.
That was last year's year 11.
Was it?
Yeah, because it's C.
But they're on about this year's, the ones your year.
That was for our English literature.
Yeah, had really good results.
It was
increasing each year.
91% A star to C in the English literature, and 62%, I think, were A stars and A's.
So basically, I don't know what the other schools are doing, but they ain't doing a very good job at teaching, that's all I can say. It's another beautiful day again. When did I last film? Where are we from my last film? Oh, it was yesterday, wasn't it? Last night, at school. So it's another nice day again. It's cooler today, it's only about 19-20 degrees, so it feels a bit fresher. Yeah, so like I said, it's lovely again today. So where am I heading? Don't really need to say. All the way through here, look at it. So yeah, I'm heading to the airport again. I'm trying to get some shots of the new Cadbury G2 helicopter they've got there, the new trainer. It's brand new, it's got 18 hours on it from delivery, and they picked it up last weekend. So this is where we're going this Saturday. We're going for a barbecue there, because it's the official launch date of that. And I have already got some footage of it, just stationary parts. I've not actually done any proper footage of it flying yet or being in training, so I'm going to go have a look and see what's happening. Yes, because the weekend, like I say, it's the official launch. We're going to the barbecue there, that should be good. And then on this Sunday, it's the flying school, not the heli side of it, but the fixed wing side of the school. Separate business, same airport. And it's their open day. If you remember, I went last year just out of chance, because they had the Victory show on, which is on this weekend. I won't be going to the Victory show, I've been before. It's a great wartime show, as you know. Wartime vehicles and reenactments. Everything is fantastic. But last year I happened to go down there on a Sunday, if you remember, and so I'm just saying thanks to the guy with the dog. That's why I nodded my head. He was just saying thanks for giving me a wide berth and walking me dog. So yeah, I went there last year and just by chance, it was an open day at the flying school, and the Spitfire and the Hurricane both left there. They were based there. They both left to go and be in the display. So I'm hoping to do that as well. So yeah, I'm hoping to do that as well. So we'll see anyway. The Saturday's the main thing with the Barbie, and so you know, get to know some more of the instructors, and I know some of them already because I'm there that often. There's the Camry. It's right in front of where I'm parked. It's not going anywhere though. Other than that, there's not a lot happening at the moment. It's a bit breezy down here. Not like the weekend. It's so still at the weekend. We'll have a look anyway, see what's happening. You can see that's loads of birds swarming over the airfield there. They're all migrating to move on or what, but it's in the right place. They're all flying. Probably it's a flying club. Bit of a problem with those birds for approaching traffic. So we're just listening out. It's a Friday night. It's the Victory Show this weekend, and the Spitfire and the Hurricane are circling around, getting lower and lower to come into land at Cosby. You couldn't see it. They've finished coming down now, but they were circling, getting lower and lower. Now they've gone somewhere else on a flight plan. Not somewhere else. Gone to the other side now to get ready to land. Really cool. Yeah, there it is, that's the Spitfire. There's a Hurricane somewhere. They're doing big circuits to come in. No, it's not Spitfire. Have some guts to have one of those strapped to your back now. I hope he doesn't run into the Spitfire. Nice night tonight. This weather is fantastic. It's like the 7th of September today, and it's just been glorious, mid-20s. Really warm, sun setting. Beautiful evening. Off to the airport tomorrow. It's the heli school, it's the open day, which I told you about already. So it's going to be there's a lot happening this weekend. There's that on the Saturday. There's the Aero Club open day on the Sunday, and all weekend it's the Victory Show. And the weather has just couldn't have timed it better. And we've not had a helicopter come over. Nothing of any significance. That was the other thing. Just one thing missing tonight, and that is that. It's hardly moving. I should go out on my bike actually and find it. See where it's going to land. Is it a helicopter? Is it a plane? No, it's a balloon. There is a hot air balloon. It's a blimp. Jack and Charlotte all dolled up. Mum's taking them. It's her auntie's wedding or sister's wedding, or I don't know. It's a wedding, it's not a sister's wedding, she's not got a sister. They're going to a wedding tonight at Peatling, which is one of the Peatlings, yeah, the Shire's pub, nice pub out there. So they're going to 8 o'clock, well after 8 now, but Jack's all dolled up, and so is Charlotte. She looks like she's going to some kind of ball. She's got a dress on, but I couldn't film them obviously. But that's where they're off tonight. Goodness knows what time Jack will be back. I just said let yourself in. It's the next day. Talking quietly, Jack's still in bed late night. Don't know what time he got back from the wedding. I can hear a helicopter going over. It sounds like a whopper. You know what I mean? Oh, it's a Chinook. Do you realise it's a year since we went to the Kate and Corey meet-up in London? 1 year. To the day. And we've got ourselves a full house, 2 turnovers, 2 sausage rolls, and we've got the cookies. Job's a good one. Chinook again. Same one as before, same course. I can hear the Battle of Britain going. Can you hear the Battle of Britain going? Explosions. Well, whatever it is, the reenactment of World War One. Cosby victory show. It's an old car, is that a Porsche?
There's an old car there by the looks of it.
Well, they got a Gazelle. See the Gazelle on the... That came in yesterday, yeah, there's another one coming in. That's probably the cabin. It's multicoloured as well. This car. You had to have it on sitting one, Jack. There's a lot happening. 2 Cadburys here today, the only 2 in the UK. All happening today. Great atmosphere. Look at the other Cadburys coming in. Isn't it?
Let's change settings.
Apple juice. It's the spot. Look like a press photographer.
Shouldn't.
We've got a full house here today. Gazelle, someone's in the Gazelle, having a look round. There it is, Spitfire. Another day of plane spotting this Sunday. So they just had the dogfight. I heard it going, but I couldn't see anything. It was the Spitfire leaving. Can't see it now, but can hear it. Love it all, don't you? General reenactment.
Over the...
You can hear it now.
It's like a battle thing, isn't it?
Really now. Alright. It's an incredible show, that.
Not that we could say anything over all those heads.
Well, you will be able to now.
Yeah,
You
now.
are now.
But then, I can see about as much now as I did then.
Be alright in the crowd then, Jack.
The Vulcan's coming over later. I wonder what time that's over.
That'll be later because they do the show at the end, don't they? Because we had to stay till it was about 4 o'clock, was it, the start of the...
Yeah, probably we'll hear it come over. Apparently it's the last, not the last show, but the last summer it's going to be up because they ran out of money. Tragic. Yeah, I was referring to the Vulcan, the money, not the Victory show, that is. No idea where this plane is or what it is. It's just taken off by the sounds of it. I can hear 2 now. But you can't hear 3. It's getting closer. It's just like an aviation weekend, this, isn't it?
Aviation? It's
Yeah.
a big word, isn't it?
It is. Ah, there we are. That's the Tiger Moth plane that you saw yesterday, Jack. Where the other one is, I don't know. It's great here because you get all the aircraft come over low. They've had the old, would have had the old dance last night, wartime dance there. Really good. It's like 1940s. It's like going into a time I've never been in, but it's really, really good. I've seen some footage and I've seen some pictures of it. It's all wartime music and singers, and you have your dinner like you did in wartime. You have a sit-down meal and everyone's in the uniform, and then you have the dancing later, ballroom dancing later, just as it would have been in the day. I can hear another plane here. Jack off. There's Jack. Charlotte's the afternoon. They have fellowship church tonight. He's going to hers this afternoon. She normally comes over to ours, but it's her birthday, so they're having a birthday do down there. So he's gone there, and we'll see him tonight. Could be the Vulcan. Just got back. That could be the Vulcan sound. I'll not know till it comes over this direction. Yeah, that'll be it. Oh, there's a display on, isn't there? As well. Let's go and check these out the front. There's the Vulcan. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh. For it. Ooh. Oh my kids. Quite an audience. Catching fire a bit. So then we had a barbie. Oh, yeah, look at that now. Looking good.